Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Arshi Jain and I make videos about fashion, travel, beauty and lifestyle. And I am here with a very awaited video, that is Sarojini Hall, which you might have guessed with the title. So before further ado, let's get into the video. So these are all the outfits which I recently bought from Sarojini as I visited Delhi to my cousin's place. So to begin with, I will talk about the bottoms which I bought. So basically these bottoms are made out of cotton, and I bought same cotton bottoms in multiple colors and multiple patterns. So this one is the first bottom, which is very tropical in nature. The quality is very good, it's sturdy and it's durable, and the material is really good because, as I said, it's cotton. It is really comfortable when I wear it, and it does have pockets, which is a very important aspect. And I'm sorry if there is any disturbance because there is some construction work going on behind my house, so just don't mind the sound. And this was for about, I suppose, 200 rupees, which is really good because whenever you go out, even for a simple bottom of cotton, you have to pay more than 500, and getting this one in 200 and 250 is really good one. And for the similar thing, I bought two more shades that I am supposed to wear, although I got it in 4 more shades. However, I gave the rest to my mother. So I'll just show it to you. The material is really good for these two as well. You can see the shades are beige and grey, and these two shades are like really important in your closet because these go well with greys, black, whites, and even sometimes navy blue looks good on these. And since winters are about to come, I would want to wear certain clothes that are full and keep me warm. So these two are also very comfortable and also costed about 200 to 50. And I got these bottoms from the corner shop in the Graffiti Lane. And just mark one thing, that I will be mentioning all the shops and all the things which you can get at those particular shops at the end of the video. So continue watching, and if you haven't liked the video till now, please take a moment to like the video. Now moving on to some very basics that I bought from Sarojini Nagar is one spaghetti top because I found it in rupees 50. I'm giving 50 rupees for this turquoise blue colored spaghetti top is something I would definitely invest in. So this is the color, if you cannot see properly. It's again cotton, and it's not at all transparent or translucent, so it's very comfortable to wear when you're going out. And I usually pair it with denim shorts or jeans, and when I'm going to a place where I don't want to wear sleeveless tops, I pair it with a cover up or a shirt. And another basic thing which I got in rupees 75 is this olive green t-shirt. The material is very good, it's durable. Like, getting a t-shirt in 75 rupees was something that made me think that isme kuch to defect hoga hi, but then it is without any defects, and it's in size extra small. I thankfully fit into extra small for this one. So this was one olive t-shirt, and it's like solid t-shirts are never a bad option for your closet, no matter in what color they are. And again, they can be worn with denims or black jeans or skirts or anything. Then comes something which is one of the trendiest pieces of the season, that is a tennis skirt. And I'm not a person to wear many skirts, that's why I was not sure to invest a lot of money into tennis skirts, so I was just avoiding it to buy it from any branded store. And when I went to Sarojini Nagar, I luckily found one and I got this. The fit is really good. I'll just show it in the close-up. The fit is really good, and it has a zipper here and a button, and it does have shorts in it, which every tennis skirt has. The quality is really good. I have worn this many times in Delhi as well as in Indore here for shoots and for just casually going around for shopping or even for playing. And it's really good. The length is also good. The material is good, and it costed about 175 or 200, which is nothing. Then comes another thing which is going to be in trend and which is in trend. Firstly, the pattern, and secondly, the skirt, which is a skirt and shorts combination. It appears to be a skirt, however, it has a short inside. So this one is really good, and I love to wear such things, and the print is something which I would definitely wear. And you can wear this with stockings and some pullover and some overcoat and do a lot of layering if you have to wear this in fall and winters, because this pattern is something that should be worn during the fall and winter season. And you can definitely pair it with some black sweater which has some dramatic sleeves, balloon sleeves. Wear this, wear leggings, oh sorry, not the leggings, stockings, and then pair it with boots. You look amazing and it will give you a very bomb look. Then something that is really good and I love it is this brown trousers. They are knitwear. They are so soft and smooth. As you can see, this is the material. It's stretchable, however it does not get ruined after a wash because it has been washed twice now. It has a detailing here so that you can just tie it, and it's elastic free, and it's really good. It keeps you warm, and I bought this especially because the color palette was neutral, and since the winters are approaching, they will really help me to create an outfit or to create a look whenever I have to go out, instead of always wearing those denims or jeans or trousers. And this one costed me around 300 I suppose, but similar thing is available on H&M and it costed about 2000, so why not buy something when it costs you around 300 400. This was from shop number 51. So yeah, this is the place which I got these pants from. And similar to these pants is another pants, and exact similar copy of these pants can be found at H&M and Zara. At least for H&M I'm very sure. These are another woolen trousers or pants which can be worn for even casual events, for formal dinners, and for party wear as well. Just it depends basically on with which kind of top you're wearing it with. It's again elastic free and it has a detailing here, and here the knit is in such a manner like it appears as if corns are here. So this one is the pant, and I love these two. Like the previous brown one and this one are the most favorite from the list of Sarojini Nagar's items that I bought. And this again costed around 350 400, which is really good, and it's really woolen because it keeps you warm. So it's just not for its effect, but then it actually keeps you very warm. So it's really helpful to invest in such pieces at Sarojini Nagar. It was all about the bottoms. Now coming on to woolen section, completely woolen section. The one that I bought was this purple or lavender colored cropped sweater, because cropped sweaters are going to be a trend for fall and winter 2021. Know this. And the color is again something which is very beautiful and pretty, because lavender is something I suppose every person is liking these days. And it has some exaggerated sleeves, like balloon sleeves here, and the fit is really cool. I'll insert a picture where I am wearing this, and it looks really amazing, really amazing, and it keeps you really warm. So this is something which you shouldn't buy from Sarojini Nagar, and I got it from like a flash sale. So it costed about 150 200. So I'm really happy, because woolens are something which are never below 1000 for me. Like I have never purchased woolens that are so sasta, you can say that. Another thing which I bought is from the same fashion sale. That was this powder blue or light blue colored sweater. It has a turtleneck. It's really soft, as you can see. The turtleneck, it's all dry clean, so never mind the tag. So this is the sweater I got, and this is something I'm looking forward to wear, because I have always bought woolens in colors such as black or grey or white, because these were the only colors I used to wear. But since now I'm into wearing onto popping colors and doing color blocking, I thought of buying colorful winter wear so that I can experiment with my colors and my palette too. Another thing which I bought is because, as you all know, I love cover-ups and I love wearing shirts. So I bought this leopard print shirt. Like this is my first animal print clothing that I have ever bought, because I'm not into wearing animal prints clothing or anything. But then this is a leopard print shirt and it's basically long and I love wearing it. I paired this shirt with the white trousers which I showed you, woolen trousers, and it really looks amazing. This costed me around 300. So this is a trench coat and I'm in love with this piece. It can be worn both the ways, however then this logo will be visible at the back. However, I love this, like I just can't wait to wear it. I'm waiting for the temperatures to go down so that I can wear it. This is in olive color. It has a detailing here with a button and it has buttons like this that go down to the bottom. This is the trench coat. It has a belt here. This is the belt. I'll just show from this side as well. This is the buckle for the belt. And it's really durable and it's really comfortable, and I got it for like 500 rupees, which is something very good. So yes, I'm looking forward to wear it. And also there is a bag which many people, many people, if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow. So yeah, that came from the fact that I was telling that there were many people who asked me where my bag was from. While I was in Sarojini, I bought a bag from a nearby shop out there. It wasn't in Sarojini Nagar, however you can find similar pieces at Sarojini Nagar. And the bag was this one. It's again a print textured bag. I love this bag and it goes pretty well. I can carry it around like this, or maybe if I wish to I can carry it around like a slide sling, and it's very spacious. I don't know if there is something in here. I just have bills. However, this is the bag. It's very spacious. You can even put the sling aside, and if you wish to carry it like this, you can carry it, or you can attach the sling chain and you can carry it as a sling. And many people ask me, I got this for 500 rupees and many similar bags are available, and I will just keep down the shops where you can find such trendy bags. So this is all about my Sarojini Nagar shopping, and I am really happy because I have never shopped from Sarojini Nagar. Like earlier when I was in 6th, 7th grade, I used to go to Sarojini Nagar, but at that time I was not into fashion, so I just went there for an hour and just came back because of the heat, because it usually irritated me a lot. However, this time I went and I searched for clothing. So this was all the things that I bought from Sarojini Nagar and I'm really happy from it. However, there are just a few tips for you if you want to go there. Just make sure what you want to buy, because when you just see so many clothes there, you get confused, and make sure what you're looking for, because there are a lot many options out there. And bargaining is something you should definitely do, and the best time to visit Sarojini Nagar is during the early hours such as 11 o'clock, so that when people are opening their shops, they're ready to bargain at whatever price you wish to buy. And there are a lot many shops. I will put them in the screen after this one, where you can just note down which shops you can go for what. And these pieces, luckily all of them have turned out to be great. Even after they have been washed, the fit is still the same and they fit me well. So these are the few things that you should definitely remember, and keep a water bottle, because I just fainted there because of the heat. I hope you like the video. I hope you're watching it till now, and if you're watching it till now, thank you so much, because your views, your feedbacks, your likes, your shares, your comments and your subscriptions matter a lot to me. Thank you so much. I will be back with more videos. Until then, stay safe, take care and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you.